Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So an exciting weekend for me. I had a pretty good mail day yesterday when I came home because all three of my boxes were here. So I'm about to film 3 separate unboxings. Boxycharm unboxing, so let's jump right into it. I'm gonna open it up. Sorry that my background is like chaos right now, it's kind of late. I also have like changed things around and I'm just all over the place. So, Boxycharm. Boxycharm road tripping. Oh, I don't want to say it. But the theme is road tripping. So, the first thing I pull out is a blush. It is from Note. It is called the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with Argan Oil. So I wonder if this is, or is that clay? Sorry, you can see my goddamn ring light. I'm trying to block it with my head. Let me know, like what's going on? I'm a mess, okay? So this is what it looks like. It's in the color Desert Rose. It reminds me a lot, I've actually never owned a melt stack, but I think this is what the melt stacks look like. So let's take it. Oh, it's very pretty. You can look at it right there. It's like a very peachy apricot color. And it's like a very pretty summer color. So it's got a little brush under here. And sorry, I'm already wearing makeup, so there's not gonna be a try on. Oh, seems decently pigmented. Oh, that's pretty. I like orange. It comes off a lot more orange on my hand, but I like orange blushes, so. Yes. And that Note blush was $11.99. Next we have, is Dr. Brandt going out of business or something? Because Dr. Brandt has been in like every box I get, and it's in Boxycharm every single month. So Dr. Brandt don't give a fuck no more. Dr. Brandt's just like, yeah, put it in the Boxycharm. I'm not that I mind, like Dr. Brandt's an expensive brand, but it's starting to lose its novelty when you get one in every single box. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it's cool, but it's not as cool because I get it every month. But this is the Needles No More Eye Depuffing Gel. And I could probably definitely use an eye depuffing gel. I don't want to use it right now, but that seems pretty cool. It says it's for all skin types, and this is $42. So that's a pretty cool thing. The next thing we have is by Cella. It is the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Is this like a, there's a brush. There's a brush on one end. Oh, so this is like a very weird little system here where you take this brush and you dip it in the product in there to get your eyebrows on. So let me dip it around in there, the brush. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of pigment coming off. The color matches pretty well, but I feel like it doesn't pick up a lot of product, which could be good because, you know, you don't want like, I don't like super stark lines in my eyebrows, but at the same time, I feel like this is a little bit like time consuming, I guess. Well, I won't know until I try it, right guys? Right. So that is interesting, faux show interesting, this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eye Cream, and that's $26, so it's decent, it's decent. Next, everybody has been talking about Wander Beauty. I don't think I've actually tried anything by Wander Beauty, and this is a volume and curl mascara. That's interesting. It's in like a little tubey tube. Let me see what this brush looks, and this is $24. The brush is like a nice fluffy brush. I like those kind of brushes, but I'm excited to try it. That's all I can really say. It seems like it's not picking up a ton of product right now, but I've also never tried it. So I have had much more success with mascara formulas after they've been opened a couple times. But this seems like a dry formula, which I will try. I'm excited. This is a cool thing. I can always use mascara. And then last but not least, if I could get this freaking, oh, there we go. Crown Pro. Great. Isn't that like a made in China brand? This is $29.99. It is a Fuego eyeshadow. There was a while where Morphe was resell of Crown brushes. Crown is kind of a little bit more like private labeling controversy, so I would have hoped to get something a little nicer, but at the same time, this is pretty gorgeous. Pretty standard, but pretty gorgeous. That's what it looks like. You know what? This actually looks like a beautiful fall palette, but I wonder if they're similar to Morphe eyeshadows. Oh, you know what? The mattes feel pretty creamy. I could definitely see myself using this a lot. Oh, you know what? The shimmers are beautiful. Can't really complain. This reminds me a lot of like an August, September palette. I wanted to shit all over it. I haven't used it, but I actually do think it's really pretty. It looks like so many eyeshadow palettes on the market right now. Retails for $29, but I actually think this looks stunning. So I'm actually excited about this now. First I was like a little bit like about to like shit all over it, but the it seems very beautiful. Like these are the two shimmer shades here. They seem pretty stunning. They look like that right there. And the mattes seem pretty creamy, so I mean, all I can do is try it. I'm sorry I'm not doing a try on in this video. They just get so long and it's like a whole nother work week starts tomorrow. I know that's a really shitty excuse, but I'm a person. Bear with me. So I actually am most excited for that eyeshadow palette. I am really excited for a mascara. I'm always into that. The blush is beautiful. Dr. Brand product is pretty awesome, and the eyebrow product, I mean, I can always use more eyebrow product because these monsters are just monsters. Not my favorite Boxycharm, definitely not one I'm the most like rah-rah shish kumbah for, but a nice showing. The palette at first, like I said, disappointed me, but now I'm really excited to try it. And, you know, it's all stuff that like, I'm not like, wow, I just want to, I'm like, I really want to try this to see if it's a good product. So stay tuned. I will be doing a wrap-up video of the month for the products. Finally getting back on track. So that was my Boxycharm, guys. Thank you so much for unboxing this box with me. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.